Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. Halki Diabetes Remedy teaches you the 1-minute habit that can completely flush toxins from your body. New research has discovered the root cause of diabetes. Yes, it only takes 60 seconds and the system provides you with 21 days of 60 seconds habits. What is the Halki Diabetes Remedy program about? New research has found that type 2 diabetes is not caused by what you eat. Instead, studies have discovered type 2 diabetes is caused by the toxins you're subjected to each and every day. What's more important is that, although it's impossible to avoid the toxins that are causing so many causes and illnesses today, Halki Diabetes Remedy is a 21 days comprehensive system that teaches you the nutritional steps to flushing your body of the toxins. However, it does not set you up with a 21 days meal plan and sends you on your way. This is a huge benefit because you can take all the medication and insulin shots needed to make sure your diabetes doesn't get worse, but these options don't actually fix the problem. What you learn in this program does, and by tackling the root cause of type 2 diabetes, you can repair the damage and eliminate the disease altogether. You really can't go wrong with a program that reverses and repairs the damage of type 2 diabetes before eliminating it altogether. The programs comes as one ebook which includes 1 valuable information that teaches you the root cause of diabetes, 2 diabetes reversing charts, 3 recipes, 4 to 21 days meal plan. Let's take a look at some of the bonus programs you receive absolutely for free. Bonus: 1 Relaxed Mind Health Body Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus: 2 to 10 videos for Relaxed Mind Health Body Guide. Bonus: 3 Energy Multiplier Guide. Bonus: 4 to 10 videos for Energy Multiplier. Bonus: 5 Achieve Your Goals Guide. Bonus: 6 to 10 videos guide to achieve your goals. And it's providing you 60 days money-back guarantee if you are unsatisfied. It's 100% recommended product to use. Click the link in the description below for discount and all other bonuses and get rid of diabetes and live a healthy life. It's nothing to lose, except benefits and healthy life. Thanks for watching Halki Diabetes Remedy Review.